Are you looking for Start Home Mining? You can start your mining journey with these best home miners options under $300 to $500. You're most likely interested in budget-friendly cryptocurrency miners. With a budget between $300 and $500, you can acquire entry-level to mid-range crypto miners suitable for home operations. Here are some popular options that align with your budget. Bitmain Antminer S. Hash rate, approximately 14 terahashes per second. Power consumption, around 1,300 watts. Price, approximately $300 to $500. The Antminer S9 is a well-established model known for its efficiency in mining Bitcoin. It's a reliable choice for beginners entering the mining space. Bitmain Antminer L3 Plus. Hash rate, approximately 504 megahashes per second. Power consumption, around 800 watts. Price, approximately $400 to $500. Designed for Litecoin mining, the Antminer L3 Plus offers a good balance between performance and energy consumption. Gold Shell Mini Do. Hash rate, approximately 185 megahashes per second. Power consumption, around 235 watts. Price, approximately $300 to $400. This compact miner is efficient for mining Dogecoin and Litecoin, making it a popular choice for home miners. InnoSilicon A10 Pro. Hash rate, approximately 500 megahashes per second. Power consumption, around 750 watts. Price, approximately $500. Optimized for Ethereum mining, the A10 Pro offers high hash rates suitable for serious miners. Apollo Vi-1 Mini Classic. Hash rate, approximately 130 megahashes per second. Power consumption, around 104 watts. Price, approximately $300. Ideal for mining Ethereum Classic. This miner is energy efficient and cost effective.